its main mission to improve the state of the practice in doing DevOps. And doing DevOps is a combination of having a better infrastructure, automation in the software delivery chain, agile way of working, adopting lean processes, and establishing a culture of high-performance IT organizations. But to establish this, we need to make sure that all those people are equipped to work like this. That's why we have come up with a competence framework consisting of a number of knowledge and a number of skill areas. Because we say, to survive in this world, we need multidisciplinary teams and multidisciplinary experts who cannot be expert in all the facets of working in this field, but they need a broader T-shaped profile, a broader basis to work together. Because you do need testing capabilities, software development capabilities, business analysis capabilities in the teams, but you cannot have somebody who is solely busy with writing test scripts, for example, or somebody who's solely talking to customers. You need to do that as a team, and those high-performance teams is the solution, as we see with ING and those firms at the moment, to really accelerate.